Alright guys, we're going street skating today. I have my loyal sidekick, Bear. He's very excited to be here. I have my skateboard. Yes, we have that. And then we're very excited today to be testing out the brand new Insta360 camera. I don't know if you guys remember the last video that we made with this, but it was really rad, and this is a new version. We're super stoked to rock this. It has higher quality and faster frame rates, so we're really excited to see what it can do. This is the 360 camera. So you basically film it, you can get any angle, and then in the app you can edit to go. We're gonna show up, we're gonna show down, left, right, whatever. So you ready to get your skate on? Are you ready to get your skate on? Are you? Let's get it. Bear, let's go check out this spot. Come on, Bear. Come with me, son. Yeah. Oh, first try.
Oh, dude, you can do manuals, like slide to manual.
Slide, manual, drop. Yeah, you got this too? Oh. Looks like somebody tried to make a ledge. Well done. Skate the rail. Yes. First try.
This is Braille House 2.0.
Braille House 2.0. Let's go. Dang, boy.
These are what I hate the most. I always,
pieces of glass?
Glass is the worst thing to fall on.
He knows from experience. That's real life skateboard situation.
Not so little, but it's cool.
I know, it's pretty big. I always thought it was smaller. A cool little manual pad. It's me, always trying to find a manual pad. You see that, wild man? How did he land that? How did he do that? Yep. If you go over Bear, it's extra points.
Second look like.
Aaron with the bow staff. No bueno.
It looks incredible. Whoa! Yeah, a little curb sash. Ow.
That sucked.
That looked like it hurt like a...
I really wasn't expecting to fall that hard.
Okay. First try.
Oh my god.
How he landed that. We'll never know. Yeah, boy.
It's the rocks.
They wanted the streets, we gave them the streets. The rocky streets of San Leandro. Oh, got him! Still on it, still on it. Oh! I got the most beautiful
How's
angle
gonna
on
land
that.
too, man?
We're skating this now.
How do you know? Why doesn't it just roll?
Yeah.
How is this working?
I probably should have checked it first. I didn't even realize it was that wobbly.
I didn't.
He wasn't even locked in. How'd he do that?
And that is why the Insta360 is a good filming camera. I don't know if you can tell, but I was skating, following him, and then I hit a rock, and then fell, and then this thing shot out, but we still got the clip. First try. What in the world? Where in the world is Carmen Sandiego?
Jump it.
A tray hippie? I mean, I could hold it up too.
Oh, there we go.
See me, Bear?
Bear, come here.
Ah, one more.
Dang!
See?
That's 14.
The world is your playground in skateboarding. Learn how to utilize it, and then I guarantee you're gonna have fun every single time.
So you hit rocks.
Like me. I didn't even start skating yet and I already fell worse than I'll probably ever fall ever again. Fence gap, first try. Let's go. Yeah, it looks pretty safe down here. Who does a tray flip before an ollie?
I love skateboarding.
Next spot? Well, we had a blast filming with this and we're headed to the next spot. Where that will take us, I don't know. Where we will go, we will see. Will it be good? Maybe, maybe not. You ready, Bear? Let's go to the next spot, buddy.
What do you see?
There you go. There you go.
Oh yeah.
I got lunch.
What do you got there?
I got pineapple guavas. This whole bush right here is all fruiting, so now I have lunch. They're delicious.
Kids, don't just eat random things off bushes, okay?
Look how juicy that is.
Oh my gosh.
That's really good,
burrito?
actually.
All right, McNugget's eating his fruit. Carlos is grabbing a burrito, and we're gonna go to the store real fast and get something to drink. Here we are in the beautiful San Leandro, California. No. Ah, it's good. I realized there's this like crappy little bank over here. I figured we would stop there and get one trick only. That is all I will allow. Look at that spot. Wow, what a beaut. One trick only, guys, one trick. Okay, we got it. We got the next spot.
Totally blocking this this driveway.
Yeah, you're fine. You're only allowed to do one trick here.
Okay.
If you do more than one trick, we'll get your tar toad. It looks like somebody actually waxed the top of this. Mario skated this bank, that's how I know about it. He did a shove it on it. He talks about it every day. I'll get up in there. It's probably one of the worst spots ever. Yeah, welcome to
It
San
looks
Leandro.
fun, but once you're like out
street
here.
skating. What's street spot supposed to be?
That's why I said one trick only. I mean, technically he did the trick.
Yeah, you're done.
Hey, my back kind of itched. So
Mario.
I scratched it. That was cool.
Now you know how Mario felt. What is that? What are those little guys?
It's like ground, pump, pump, stall, tray flip, pump, pump, ground.
That is so steep. could do it.
What are you doing?
Don't even pretend.
Trying to drop it in that hole?
Yeah.
Oh no. Look at these guys, they're so cute. What?
Jeebus.
No. And with that, we're out! Alright guys, so we slayed the bank. They accidentally did more than one trick. I almost had to put the kibosh on them. But now we're going to the next spot. The last and final, the ledge spot.
Yeah, mallows you can put in your smoothies. Dandelions you like make a tea out of the root.
If there's ever a zombie apocalypse, I'm gonna find you, okay buddy?
Yeah, we'll go foraging.
Alright Bear, last spot of the day. We're gonna skate some ledges and
glad-
whatever else we find here. I'm sure we'll find many things.
Did you see that double set?
Yeah, that was
I think it was amazing.
I want to skate that.
Remember where it is. I have no idea where we were, by the way. It was pure luck that we even found this spot.
Right, left.
Let's go.
Look at this block, it's sweet.
Oh no.
Well, you landed on the other one.
It didn't work. Ow. Oh yeah.
Got him.
Whoa. Okay, it slides. I seriously didn't think it was gonna slide, so I hesitated mid-ollie.
It happens. It happens. Happens to the best of you. Woo!
Good?
Yeah. Sick. There. Woo! Wow. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good. From my perspective, that was insane.
2 in a row. All right, so I get here, I do one no slide, then I go to do a no slide shove and I tweak my ankle. These guys are just getting tossed left and right. Well, the funny thing about this is like the most pristine spot. The other things that we skated were just, every piece of it was just dead and they destroyed those. And then we come to this, which is like, nice smooth ground, granite ledge, and we're just getting tossed left and right. There. Oh yeah, that was the angle.
That was crazy.
There. Got him. Yeah. There. Oh. All right, hashtag notification squad. Count how many times Bear got in the way of somebody's skateboard trick during this video, and we will choose the winner. Make sure that you are subscribed, that you have your notifications turned on, and we will go through and we will choose the one who won, and we will send you an incredible prize package. And thank you, Bear Cairo, at Bear Cairo on Instagram. He's just the best skateboard dog there ever was. Aren't you? Aren't you? Carlos was like, oh, there's a 3-block there, and I was like, no, you can't skate it. The cracks are too bad. Look at that. Purely unskateable the whole way.
You call that bad?
Yeah.
Now look at the main one that's bad.
Oh, this?
Plenty enough time to get over it. Plenty of time to set up. Plenty of time to ollie it.
Said no one ever. Ever, ever, ever. Bear, if you can jump up here, I will give you so many treats. You will be in treat heaven. Jump up here. Wow. What an ollie. You like that? Are you proud of Carlos?
Yeah. Good day street skating.
All right, guys, we hope you had a blast watching this video. We had a blast making it, and a huge thanks to Insta360 for this awesome camera and for sponsoring this video. There are promo codes and links to get this camera in the description below. It has super fast frame rates and it films in really high resolution. I believe we shot most of this video in 4K with this little thing right here. Isn't that incredible? You can get really incredible, crazy angles, and I think the best thing about it for skaters specifically is that you don't really have to aim. You just put this anywhere above the skateboard, below the skateboard, by the ledge, anywhere, and then you connect it up to the app and you can get whatever angle you want from that because it's filming 360 degrees the whole time. Bear was so excited about this camera, he's not sure what to do. Look at his face. So thank you. You guys are the absolute best. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video. Yep. If you go over Bear, it's extra points.